Are you a physical therapy assistant looking for remote work opportunities? Well, in this video, we are going to dive into several different amazing opportunities that you can even do as a PTA and make six figures. But really quickly, before we dive into those opportunities, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro. I'm a physical therapist, healthcare entrepreneur, and I coach other therapists how to be entrepreneurs as well. And you are watching Alternative Healthcare Careers. So in this video, let's get to the good stuff and share with you the best remote opportunities for you as a physical therapy assistant. Okay, so my number one recommendation is that you look into telehealth. Now, what are the pros of becoming a telehealth therapist as a PTA? Well, one, it's exactly like what you're doing already. So it's in your wheelhouse. You're knowledgeable, you're confident, you know how to treat. Two, no added courses or education needed and no added costs needed because all you need is your computer screen, earbuds, and your knowledge. So you don't need to do anything else to be a successful telehealth therapist. And then number three, a really great pro to this is the fact that your earnings should be similar to what you are doing already as a physical therapy assistant. So you're not going to be getting any pay cut. Now let's go over the cons of this route. Well, one is the fact that, let's just face it, therapy in the virtual field, it's just behind physicians and it's just lacking. There are more therapists looking to treat than there are people looking to get treated. And so where I'm going with this is the fact that it's just harder for you to find employment. There's less employment opportunities out there. And so there's a lot of competition too. So it makes it difficult to find great opportunities in the telehealth sector for assistants especially. And the other con is that they do still look for more PTs, OTs, and speech therapists and prefer that versus assistants as well. And so besides there being less jobs, besides preferring PTs, OTs, and speech therapists, it also means that you may get inconsistent hours because of the fact, like I said, that there's just too many therapists to people needing help. I remember I was actually trying to do this for a while, and I'd get on my computer and I was working with a company and just no one would book appointments. There just weren't enough appointments to go around. Okay, so the next career route that you could go into is health coaching. Now, this is something you can do on your own as an entrepreneur, but it's also something that you can do as an employee, which is really nice for us that are not looking to do entrepreneurship. And that's okay. Look for companies like Noom. Noom hires therapists, and you'll have a little bit of a step up because you are a certified therapist. And so you'll actually beat out some of that personal training competition or other people looking to get into this. Now, the negatives of this is the fact that the salary can be quite low. It's often in the 40s per Glassdoor, what I saw. And also the fact that it's very competitive. A lot of people are looking to get into health coaching and get these jobs, so it's very competitive. And then thirdly, you'll likely need to get a certificate if you want to work for an employer. Now, I tell people all the time that if you want to do health coaching on your own, you actually don't need any sort of other education or certificate. It's a fairly unregulated industry right now. However, Noom and other companies, they really want to make sure that their brand is high quality and that their help and their staff have these reputable backgrounds and reputable certificates. So they will prefer hiring someone that has a certificate to someone who does not have a certificate. Okay, so the next opportunity for you is more entrepreneurial, and that's wellness. Very similar to health coaching. With wellness, you could create your own online business, and it's really easy to set up. If you actually go right here, I'll walk you through how to set up this whole business for you so that you can start focusing on getting your very first paid client. But what I really like about wellness is that you're knowledgeable in this. You're a pro. You're a therapist. You've been doing wellness your whole life, just underneath someone. So this is a very comfortable job transition for you. It's also something that's very low cost to set up and very easy to do in the evenings and on a per diem type basis as you grow out your clients. So the next opportunity, which is one of my favorites, is one that you can earn 6 figures in, which I really love because as an assistant, it's frustrating how limited you are in your salary. But with this, you can actually make more than what you would as a PT assistant. And that is travel recruiting. That's where you help other healthcare professionals find travel therapy positions. And you're really uniquely positioned for this because you can relate to that therapist. You can know the ins and outs of settings and help coach them as to what setting looks good, what setting doesn't look good. And you can really empathize with their questions, concerns, and frustrations. So I really think that this is a great route. And to find these jobs, you can simply search travel companies like MAS, Core, Club Staffing, and see if they are hiring anyone. You can also go to Indeed as well. So last on our list is actually remote ergonomist. And this is so neat, and it's really the hidden gem because not a lot of people are talking about this and not a lot of people know about this. But this is something that you can do as a PT assistant because it's similar to health coaching and wellness, where you're almost taking off your therapy hat. And you can do this all on your own. And just like recruiting, you could potentially make 6 figures or more. So it's a really neat job opportunity out there. And it's becoming more and more prevalent. And especially it's growing in the remote field as well. So this is something for you to do your research on and look to see if there are any remote ergonomist opportunities near you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button and hit the little bell to be notified when we do come out with more educational videos like this. Also, if you want me to dive deeper into any of these job options or into anything else, just simply comment below and I'd be happy to personally help you and as well make a video that is directly targeted for this. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it is helping you to become a better therapist and helping you find the career of your dreams. For more videos, check them out right here. Thank you so much.